Hello friends, welcome. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to convert affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences of past continuous tense from active voice to passive voice. Friends, now let us see what is the rule for writing affirmative sentences of past continuous tense in active voice. The rule is subject plus was a verb plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. When we are going to convert this into passive voice, the rule will become object plus was a verb plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Ram was playing football. Friends, over here the helping verb is was and the main verb is playing. Therefore, we can say that this sentence is of past continuous tense. Now, over here the subject is Ram, the main verb is playing and the object is football. So, if we are going to arrange it as per the rule, the sentence will become football was being played by Ram. Now let us see what is the rule for writing negative sentences. The rule is subject plus was a verb plus not plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. So in passive voice it will become object plus was a verb plus not plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. For example, Ram was not playing football. So what we are going to do, we are going to write down football first, then the helping verb was, then not, then being, then we are going to convert the main verb that is playing into the third form of the verb which will be played. So the sentence will become football was not being played by Ram. Let us move to interrogative sentences. Friends, while writing interrogative sentences, we always write helping verb before the subject. So the rule in the active voice is was a verb plus subject plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. In passive voice, this will become was a verb plus object plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. For example, was Ram playing football? In passive voice, this sentence will become was football being played by Ram? Friends, most of the time people face problem while converting interrogative sentences into passive form. अगर आपको भी ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है सो इन दैट केस आप पहले अपने सेंटेंस को अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन प्लेस योर हेल्पिंग वर्ब बिफोर योर सब्जेक्ट सो योर सेंटेंस विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू इंटेरोगेटिव फॉर्म. Friends, let us understand this with the help of one more example. Friends, over here the sentence is they were writing a letter. Friends, सबसे पहले आपको sentence का tense recognize करना होता है. For that, you have to take out your helping verb and main verb from the sentence. Since the helping verb over here is were and the main verb is writing, therefore we can say that this sentence is of past continuous tense. So while converting it into passive form, what we are going to do? We are going to write down our object first, then the helping verb, then since the sentence was of continuous tense, so we are going to write down being, then the third form of the verb, then by and finally our subject. So the sentence will become a letter was being written by them. Similarly, in negative form, what we are going to do? We are going to write down the word not after the helping verb. So the sentence will become a letter was not being written by them. And as I told you earlier that if you want to convert a sentence into interrogative form, you can write down it first in the affirmative form and then you can convert it into the interrogative form. So let us see what is the sentence in affirmative form. It is a letter was being written by them. So if I want to convert this into interrogative form, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to put up my helping verb before my object. So the sentence will become was a letter being written by them. Friends, now for your practice, few questions have been given over here. The answers to these questions have been given in the next slide. But please do attempt these questions over here and only then move to the next slide to check your answers. फ्रेंड्स प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल जिससे आप आने वाले नेक्स्ट वीडियोस मिस ना करें. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. बाय बाय.